Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Yeah. Here, observe it here. In a previous class, small concept I told no. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, then automatically some place is reserved in a disk that is called a database. One container automatically created. This database stores only structured collection of data. If you want to operate data in this database, then we are using SQL and PLSQL and dynamic SQL languages. Already I told in a previous class those small concepts. And also, whenever we are using Oracle or SQL Server or DB2 or Sybase, Informix, Ingress, Postgres, these all relational data model products also. SQL language only we are allowed to use. But unfortunately, this SQL is an ANSI standard SQL. From this ANSI standard SQL, Oracle created their own SQL language that is called Oracle SQL. SQL Server created their own SQL language that is called SQL Server SQL. Again, MySQL created their own SQL that is called MySQL SQL. Up to that one, we are discussing what in a previous class. Anybody not attending means please be refer that small demo class only. Okay? Yeah, again newcomers are there. That's why again I'm repeating. Now today, shall I continue? Yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Very, very, very important. Suppose screen observe it. Oracle you have an idea. SQL language you have an idea. Slowly screen observe it. In my screen only here SQL plus is available. What is this SQL plus? Anybody tell me? What is this SQL plus? Anybody? Anybody have an idea? Very good. One fellow is telling Murali sir, this is a what? A client tool they are telling only. Very good. Correct. This is a client tool or query tool. Client tool or query tool. What is this one? And now here, observe it here. Whenever we are opening this tool, automatically I'm connecting to the where this server. Don't worry, those all the things. Just observe it here. Yes, database is there or not. Here only we are allowed to perform operation by using a what? SQL is a language. Okay, yeah. What is this tool? Here, what is this SQL plus? What is this database? What is this user? These all the things how you are understandable means I will tell you today. Very, 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 very important. Slowly, today onwards we are starting better. Why? Because in a previous class we are telling about one small demo only, but today onwards I will tell you main concepts here. Oracle 19C. Oracle is a relational data model product. Don't worry. What is the purpose of Oracle database? To store data permanently. Okay. Na? If you want to operate Oracle, then we are using following languages. These are SQL, PLSQL, and Dynamic SQL. Up to this one, previous classes, you have an idea. Take a snap through mobile. Up to installation, take a snap through mobile. Anybody newcomers are there, non-technical persons are there. Please be take snap through mobile. Okay, yeah. Because writing I want this theory means time waste. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay, na? Very good. Now check it out. Now onwards, observe it here. Now onwards, slowly we are starting. That is better. Newcomers, don't worry. Okay, na? Yeah, easy. Suppose what is this SQL plus? How we are learning what these all the things mean? Simple technique is there. Suppose observe it here. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, for example, Oracle software. Whenever I'm installing Oracle software, then automatically some place is reserved in a disk. This is called database. Okay, 1 minute observe here. This is called database. Database, Oracle database. Now check it out. Concentrate here. I am also, you are also in a user, for example. Okay, yeah. This user wants to perform some operations into Oracle database. Otherwise, this user wants to store some data into Oracle database. What is the purpose? Store data, something is there later, okay? To store data into this Oracle database. Otherwise, this user wants to fetch or retrieve some data from this Oracle database. Fetch data from Oracle database. Then this user uses two-step process, not a single step. This is so many fellows doesn't have an idea. That notes is there, first observe it here. This user uses how many steps process? Two-step process. What is the first step means? Observe it here. Step one, connect step. In this connect step, what is this connect step? I will tell you today. In this connect step only, we are using one tool. What is that tool? SQL Plus is a tool. So many other tools also there. Today I will tell you, don't worry. Again, another step is what? Communication is a step. This is a communication is a step. In this communication step only, we are allowed to use SQL, PL SQL languages. SQL, PL SQL languages. Those languages through daily we are interacting with the Oracle database. Suppose morning 10 o'clock PL SQL exceptions are going on. SQL classes morning 9 is there, 11 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there. Okay, so many classes are going on. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose here, slowly observe it here. Now, if any user wants to perform some operations on Oracle database, then that user uses following two-step process. One is connect step. In that step, we are using a what? SQL plus tool. Second one is communication step. In that step, we are using SQL, PLSQL languages. Take a snapshot this one. Take a snap through mobile, because once installing, after installing Oracle software, whatever I'm typing daily, okay, now yeah, you are also parallelly interacting along with me, means time is not wasting. You are not required to spend more time in aware in this language. So now, but suppose I am writing a one query in my system. Yeah, parallelly, you are also typing a what that query means. You are also understandable very fastly, quick learning only. Okay, better. That's why first onwards up to installation, take a snaps. Okay, yeah, because some non-technical persons are there in our class. They are reading and slowly understandable. Okay, yeah, very good. Ajay, very good. Now finish the now here. Yes, now check it out. What is this connect step? I will tell you. Don't worry. Now here, because some tools are there. Compulsory those tools names you must familiar. You are a first time newcomer also. Slowly observe it here. Again observe it here. Suppose whenever I'm installing a Oracle software in a future, after 1 or 2 days after, you are also installing. How you are installing, I will tell you. Observe it here. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, then automatically one place is created. This is Oracle database. Daily, I will tell you like this. Okay. Slowly observe it here. Observe it here. Now I am also here also thinking, oh, nothing is there. One user is there. This user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database. Then this user uses which language? Anybody attending a demo classes means tell me fast. Previous class. And very good. SQL is a language. We are thinking generally impossible. Why? Because this is a server. Oracle database is a database server. Yes, any user also try to perform operations directly in this server, impossible. First, this user is connect to the where client tool. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. Simple. This user is first connect to the where client tools. Some tools are there. Okay, yeah. I will tell you what are those tools are there. Query tools that is called diagram is there. Don't worry. Then through that client tools only, they are connect to the where server by using username and password. Then only, yes, they are allowed to perform operations by using a what? SQL and PLSQL languages. That is important. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. And now here, observe it here. Now you are understandable. This is a main diagram. This is not my diagram. Oracle Corporation provided. Why? Because newcomers, non-technical persons, how they are easily remembering about tools names, because client tools outside I am telling different and real time some other tools they are using only. Those tools names awareness purpose, Oracle provided a beautiful diagram. Through this diagram, you are a first time newcomer, you are also understandable all the things. So now check it out, concentrate here. Suppose whenever Oracle software, I am also installing, for example, slowly observe here, this is the main diagram. And now here, whenever we are installing a Oracle software, then automatically some place is created Oracle database. Observe here, observe here. Here, so many collection of database objects are there, tables are there, procedures are there, functions are there, triggers are there, packages are there, synonyms are there, indexes are there. These are nothing but a collection of DB objects, collection of database objects. These are collection of database objects, collection of database objects. Now check it out, concentrate here. This is a user is there. For example, this is a user. This user first connect to the where client tools. Observe it here. These are client tools or query tools. What are the tools are available? I will tell you which one is default tool, which one is extra tool. Those are all the things I will tell you. These are client tools or query tools. Now, through these tools, they are connected to the where server by using username and password. Then only they are allowed to perform operations by using SQL language. Daily, we are learning SQL language in a future. SQL means, anybody have an idea? Structured query language. Structured query language. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Concentrate here. What are the client tools are available in a market? That is important. First one is very, very important. Maybe so many fellows having idea. What are the examples are there in a query tools means here. First one, SQL Plus is a tool. Observe it here. SQL Plus is a client tool, but this tool you are not required to install explicitly. Why? Because whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically this tool is created. That's why SQL Plus tool is a what? A default tool. SQL Plus tool is a default tool. You are not required to install this tool. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, automatically this tool is available. Where it is available, how can I open, how we are interacting with the what, this tool through users. I will tell you, don't worry. Again, in a real time, other tools are there. This SQL Plus tool is a command line tool, same like a DOS prompt only, every command you are typing only. But here in a real time, debugging is difficult whenever we are using SQL Plus tool. That's why here in a real time, explicitly using some tools. So what are the tools are available? Anybody having idea? Very good. In 8 years, 10 years back, a popular tool is a Toad is a tool. Toad tool is available in a Oracle. Toad tool is available in SQL Server. Toad tool is available in a where? MySQL database also. This is from Quest software tool, this one. But compared to Toad tool, nowadays popular tool is SQL developer is a tool. Correct. So many fellows are in a real time. I am observing only. Yes, so many fellows are using. Okay, now SQL developer is a tool. In a YouTube's you are observing also. So many persons are explaining what some concepts through SQL developer, because in a project side they are using most of the latest software engineers in a Oracle database. They are using a what IDE. SQL developer is a tool. Okay, yeah, this is the best tool forever. Yeah, up to now, up to 2025 only. Maybe in the future, I don't know. Now, SQL developer is a tool that is a GUI tool, graphical user interface tool. Now, most of the companies uses this tool. Another tool is there. PLSQL developer is a tool. Another tool is there. SQL navigator is a tool. But except SQL Plus tool, all these client tools you are interested to use in a tool means explicitly you must install these tools. Why? Because these are explicit tools only. Automatical installation is not there. Explicitly you are purchasing a tool and you are only installing only. But SQL Plus tool means automatic. That is when we are installing Oracle software, by default that will be there. But learners better to learn through SQL Plus tool. Why? Because every command you are typing means you are remembering. Otherwise, Toad tool through SQL developer through you are learning means okay, but a little bit of hard. Why? Because some commands you are not typing, actually copying and pasting. That is not good. Okay, yeah. That's why learners means SQL Plus tool is better. After subject is good, then any tool also not a problem. Yes, except SQL Plus tool, these tools are also called as GUI tools. That is graphical user interface tools. Okay, na? Yeah. And now here, check it out. Screen observe it here. Here, okay. SQL Plus. we are learning today. Observe here, step 1, connect. If any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then those users first connect to Oracle database by using client tool. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL Plus tool is created. That's why SQL Plus is a default tool. Don't draw like this only, because some other viewers are facing a problem. Yeah. And now here, finished this one. Take a snap. Take a snap this one. Please be erase this red mark like this only lines. Anybody drawing like this means not good, no? Yeah. Erase this one. Okay. Finished. Hello, hello. Did you complete this one? Okay, na? Here, whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL Plus tool is created. No, that's why SQL Plus is a default tool. First time, no, slowly I told. Okay, na? Yeah. Now observe it here, concentrate here. Really, SQL Plus tool is available or not? Check it out. Suppose I already installed Oracle software in my system. Why? Because daily so many batches I will teach. That's why observe it here. Already I installed Oracle software. Observe it here. Whenever I'm opening a what here, Oracle software here. Observe it here. In a Windows side, Oracle software here. SQL Plus tool is there. Yes, observe it here. Here black screen. This is SQL Plus tool. Same like a command prompt. No, the DOS prompt is old. The olden days is there. No, same like command prompt. Here only we are typing a what username and password. Those user credentials I will tell you one of these days. Now here it is connected to the where okay, Oracle database. And now here check it out. Here concentrate here. Suppose here and now automatically these users are connected to the where database. Here only they are allowed to perform operation. Okay, yeah, here like this is whatever I'm typing, that is SQL is a long way. So okay, yeah, here now check it out. Here this diagram your drawing is better, then only navigation I will tell you, because some fellows are non-technical persons, they want to view tools. Hello. Anybody newcomers are there? Take a snap, all are take a snap, that's better. This tools purpose. User first connect to the client tool. Already I draw the diagram. Yeah. These are collection of database objects. Except SQL Plus tool, these all tools are GUI tools means graphical user interface tools. SQL Plus tool is the default tool. Complete. Very good. Complete. Very good. Okay. Na? Yeah. Newcomers purpose slowly, because some tools names better to know. Okay. Na? Yeah. Navigation also better to know. Suppose whenever I installed Oracle software, okay, na? Just observe it here. Nowadays, very easy way you are connect to the where SQL Plus tool. One is here, concentrate here, Oracle, okay, na? ORADB home is there, SQL Plus tool directly. But olden days in Oracle 9, 8, 10G, those software side application development is extra tab is there. Through that one we are connecting only. Okay, na? Yeah, those two navigations also better to know. Now here observe it here. This is SQL Plus tool. 1 minute observe it here. SQL Plus is an interactive query tool installed automatically. Already I told no same theory Oracle provided when you install Oracle software. SQL Plus is a command line interface that allows users to connect to Oracle database server and execute statements interactively. Okay, na? Here nowadays Oracle 19C means okay Windows side very easy. No, start programs Oracle EB home is there. SQL Plus daily I am also here also interacting. But first time non-technical person purpose. Suppose in a olden days 10G, 11G, 12C, 9A, okay, those softwares are there. No, in that one application development is extra tab is there. Take a snap this one. Take a snap. This SQL Plus tool. Okay, these two also take a snap. Then practical I will show you. Complete it. Okay, very good. Slowly. Okay, I will tell you one concept only. Don't worry. Anybody newcomers means don't afraid only. Because before we are starting a what in a Oracle software in a company's trainings means they are providing a what this type of practical way. Okay, observe it here. You are not a technical person, I think. Okay, so you are up to now you are not installing also. I will tell you 1 minute, 5 minutes. Observe it here. Concentrate here. Don't worry. Practical I will show you. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Actually, before we are installing those all the things, at least SQL plus tool interaction with the what server, I will tell you one concept. I will tell you. One is observed here, just demo side. Okay, one is observed here in every database software. SQL language side, one command is there. What is that command? Commit is a command. What is that one? Today I will tell you diagrammatically. Most powerful and practically also. Another one is rollback is a command. These two are most powerful commands in SQL language in any database. What is commit? What is rollback? More clearly you are understandable today. Commit means, anybody having idea? Very good. One fellow is telling what? A save. Again, a rollback means same like a undo. Control Z, no? Yes, yeah. Same like a undo. Control Z, you are pressing in a Windows, no? Same like that one only. Now undo the transaction from memory. Okay, na? Yeah. Now check it out. Those two transactions I will tell you through the where diagrammatically and practically also. And now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Why diagrammatically means server means you are thinking simple but a very big concept. Slowly observe it here 1 minute only. Whenever I am installing a Oracle software, observe it here, automatically two parts are created, not a single part. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingress, Postgres, any database softwares you are installing also, automatically two parts are created. Very, very important. Observe here. This is a Oracle server. Oracle server means Oracle software we are installing. Then automatically two parts are created here. This bottom part, in this bottom part only, some files are available. Operating system related files are there. These files are available in a hard disk. This is also called as a physical database. This is also called as database. Okay, originally this is a physical database. Okay, yeah. Now, yes, here above this one, okay, so now here some part is there. No, this is called instance. That is your understandable format. In a RAM memory area, something is executed. That's why this is called a RAM memory, for example. In a RAM memory, something is executed. Okay, yeah, above what. Now here only some files are available. In a Oracle means data files, control files, read log files. So many files are available. Don't worry, in a future you are familiar. .dbf files are available. Don't afraid only. Just your first time newcomer also. Better to know some transactions today. Now your tables are available here only in this place. Here so many buffers are there. Observe here. So many buffers are there. Database buffer, cache, read log buffer, large pool, shared pool. So many things are there. Don't worry here. Now some buffer, database buffer cache is there. Something is there. Okay, na? Yeah, here observe it here. Something is there here. Here which one is executed? Here which one is executed? I will tell you. Here daily SQL plus tool through we are interactive with the what this server. Otherwise Toad tool through, otherwise SQL developer tool through we are interactive with the server. Don't worry. Here roughly observe it here. SQL plus is a tool. SQL plus client tool. Here username and passwords. Later I will tell you which username, which password through we are connecting and explicitly which one, default which one. I will tell you 1 minute only. Okay, observe it here. Okay, now up to this one you have an idea. Suppose you are also creating a table where that a table is created in a hard disk. Suppose in a hard disk this T1 table is available. Okay, now for example, imagination. And now practical I will show you. Don't worry. Here commit rollback today easily understandable through this diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 is the data is there. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Slowly observe it here. Now I am copying a what this diagram in a where paint only better. Maybe some Java developers in our class today, they will tell commit rollback also, I think. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Suppose up to this one you have an idea. Practical observe it here now. Now here already this T1 table is there. I will create a practical. Now check it out. In this T1 table, don't write, just observe it here. Later practically, but first I am showing one. This is a T1 is table. In this table, what are the data items are there? Observe it here. One, two. Don't worry these commands. Just logical observe it here. Okay, na? Yeah, commit. Now, yes, here. Now this is a table is there. Okay, na? Yeah. Select star from T1. Within a database, these are tables are available. Table format only data is there. T1 table where it is available in a hard disk or memory area now? Tell me. Very good. In a hard disk. Observe it here. In a hard disk only, here only table is available. Really, now that is available or not, I want to check. Suppose in a hard disk only the table is available, no? Yeah. Again, I am viewing a what that a table means. Again, I am opening a what in this session. Suppose some username, passwords are there later. And now here, check it out. Here, select star from T1. Don't worry these commands. Okay, yeah. Here now available or not after 10 years, after 20 years also this table is available. Why? Because this is a permanent hard disk. No, yeah. In a hard disk only permanently the data is there or not. That's why company data, your maybe when you are a bank account holder means your data. These all the things are stored in a database server or not. Yes, permanently. Okay, na? Suppose you have a account is there, SBI account is there. In that one, your account number, your transactions, your name, your address, all the things are stored somewhere or not. There is a database server, nothing is there. Okay, na? In a hard disk only, in a server. Okay, na? Yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Okay. Now the table is available here. Now check it out. Now onwards important. Now, okay, already in a hard disk only this T1 table is there. I am also, you are also opening a tool. Here, this is SQL plus tool. Here. Observe here. This is SQL plus tool. Here, username and password I am typing. Okay, na? Yeah, here onwards, very interesting. Observe it here. Whenever I am typing like this, here I am typing a what? A select a star from here. What is the table name? T1 is a table. How it will be executed here only tell me. Suppose here, now this is a table is there. Okay, na? Yeah, here. Now check it out. This is a table is available in a hard disk. Now here only I am typing a what? Which one? Select. Tell me. Select star from what is the table name? T1. Now, how it will be executed? Very good. So many fellows are telling Murali sir, nothing is there. Whenever we are typing this command, control goes to where? From a client tool into where? This hard disk only. In this hard disk only, this table is there. T1 table is identified and get it back the table from this hard disk into where? This tool they are telling only 100% wrong one. 100% wrong one. In a client tool, select a statement also, update statement also, delete statement also, not executed in a hard disk. Only these commands are executed in a RAM memory area. That is important. Suppose anybody C program, Java, these programs, they have an idea. Whenever we are executing a program, where those programs are executed? In a RAM memory area. Very good. Same like whenever I'm typing a what this command, what happened means observe it here. Yes, now original execution I will tell you. Whenever we are connected to the where server after, now select star from what is the table name? T1. Whenever we are requesting this table, first client tool checks requested table is available in a where RAM memory area within a database buffer cache or not, it will be checking. This table is available in a where RAM memory area? No. It is not available means control goes to where this memory area through this buffer through hard disk only it will be checking. Within a hard disk, this table is available. Whenever this table is available, then observe it here. Copy of the table is transferred from Copy of the table is transferred from hard disk into where this memory area. Okay, na? Yeah. in a hard disk into copy of the table. Copy of the table is transferred from hard disk into where? This memory area. Observe it here. This is the original. Whenever copy of the table is transferred from here, this hard disk into memory area, this a T1 table is there. Here data is there. This one is written into where? This client tool. This much of execution is there in every database and Oracle also. Okay, T1 is a table is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there up to now. Okay, now different. Now check it out. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Now correctly guess it. Suppose I want to change this 1 is a number into 5, for example. Suppose whenever I try to change a what, this 1 is a number into where? 5, for example, in my project. Then I am typing a what? Update command. Here some commands are there. Update, delete, insert. Some commands are there in SQL language. Now I want to change a 1 number into where 5 number means update. Observe here. Update. Table name. What is the table name? T1 set. Here in a future you are learning these commands only. S number is equal to 5. Where S number is equal to 1, like this. Whenever I am typing this one, yes, so here this update command, where it will be executed? Very good, in a RAM memory area. Okay, correct. Yes, in a RAM memory area. What is the new value? 5. What is the old value? 1. Observe here. What is the new value? 5. What is the old value? 1. This new value for the transaction is stored in a somewhere in a database buffer cache. Here new value for the transaction, here it will be stored here only. Okay, yeah, here new value for the transaction, how much? Here 5. 5. This is called dirty reader in a Oracle. Okay, yeah. Again old value for the transaction, where it will be storing? Yes, some place in a database buffer cache, here only. Okay, yeah, very interesting. Now observe here up to this one. Okay, yeah, here now check it out. Concentrate here. Now, whenever you are try to use a commit is a command, after update, after delete, after insert, commit is there in a feature. Whenever you are using a what commit, what happened? Commit means save. Whenever we are using a what commit command, automatically new value for the transaction, new means 5 is there, no? New value for the transaction automatically, permanently stored in a where? Stored in a where? In a hard disk, here only. Okay, now that's why commit means new value for the transaction permanently stored in a where? Hard disk. Understood this one? Very good. Now I am not interested to use a commit. Okay, yeah, I am not interested to use a commit. Suppose I want to cancel this 5 into where 1 only. Okay, yeah. Again update statement I am giving only here. New value for the transaction here is there, and old value for the transaction here is there. Now I want to cancel this 5 into where 1 means a previous transaction I want to cancel means just I'm using a what? Roll back is a command. Roll back. Whenever I'm using a what? Roll back, what happened? What happened? This is undo transaction from memory. Here 1 is there. This 1 value, observe it here. Yes, here 1 is there. No, undo value. This 1 value is transferred into where? Transferred into where? New place. The old value is transferred into where? New place. This is nothing but I want a roll back. Roll back is affected in a memory or disk? Memory. Roll back. Roll back means undo the transaction from memory. This 1 is transferred into where? Transferred into where? This memory area here. Okay, so now 1 is transferred into where? New value only. And now this 1 is transferred into where? Here in a table only. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4 it will be displayed. Now really this is correct or not? Check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose here now whenever 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Okay, now I want to change 1 into where? 5 only. Tell me correctly, practically. Update. Don't worry, just SQL plus tool, how it will be interacting, just I'm showing only in a newcomer purpose. Update table name, set here S number is equal to, logically you are telling, I think S number is equal to 5, where S number is equal to 1. Practically tell me correctly, you are telling correctly, I think. Now this update command, where it will be affected? Memory or hard disk? Very good, in a memory. Okay, na? Yeah. Here now select the star from what is the table is there? T1. Here 5 is there. Okay, now I want to cancel this 5 into 1. Tell me correctly, tell me. I want to cancel previous transaction. How can I? Suppose whenever you are inserting a ATM card in a ATM machine, suddenly power is gone. Your vocation money never lost, only whenever you are in a operation you are performing also, because there is a rollback. Same like I want to cancel this 5 into where 1 only. Fast, tell me. Anybody? Tell me. Easy. Hello, anybody newcomers? Fast. I want to cancel this 5 into where 1 means roll back. Very good. Ritik Bansal, you are telling correct. Now here, observe it here, roll back. Just observe it here. Oh, some commands are there in the future. Not today, but just my interest purpose. Demo class also, I am telling slowly. Now select a star from, what is the table name is there? T1. Correct. Very good. Oh, rollback means undo the transaction memory from memory. You are understood? Okay, na? Yeah, here. Undo the transaction from memory. Here only African or not? Yes, here. Now, anybody tell me. Now I want to change again. I want to change a what? 1 into where 5. That's a practically very easy. Okay, now, but up to now, practically we are not started because these are first initial demo classes. No, update table name here. Okay, na? Yes, table name, update table name T1 set S number is equal to 5 where S number is equal to 1, like this only. Whenever we are performing updation operation, again it will be affected in a where? In a memory area. Now, what is the new value for the transaction? 5. What is the old value for the transaction? Okay, 1. Now select a star from, what is the table name is there? T1. Yes, here 5 is there. Now this 5 permanently stored in a hard disk. How can I? How can I? How can I store this 5 is permanently into hard disk? How can we store this 5? Very good. Ajay, you are telling correct. Commit. Observe it here. Now observe it here. Concentrate how much easy. Commit. That's what diagrammatically means easy now. Commit. Commit means save. Okay, in any database, MySQL, SQL Server, DB2, same thing only in a feature. But just how interacting means, I will tell you. Select star from T1. Very good. Commit. Okay, yeah, 5 is there. But I have a question now here. I have a doubt here. And now here, check it out. Yes, here. Bansal, okay, you want PLSQL means morning 10 o'clock, cursor is completed, first chapter is completed, exceptions are going on. Okay, yeah. In this batch also I will tell you, but first, anybody experienced person is there, you will ask management PLSQL ID means they are giving maybe, I think. And now check it out. Concentrate here. And now here, observe it here. Concentrate. 5, 2, 3, 4 is there. Now I have a doubt only. Whenever we are using a commit means, yes, this 5 is transferred into where? In a hard disk only. Okay, na? Yeah. Here, now 5 is not there. Here, old value is not there. Okay, new value is not there. Now I try to use rollback. Working or not working? Anybody guess it? Now I try to use a rollback. Working or not working? Correctly guess it. Very easy. Rollback means working or not working? Rollback means 10 o'clock is there in a PLSQL morning. Okay. Yeah. Rollback. Very good. Rollback means not working. Why? Because, very good, Ajay, you are telling correct. Why? Because whenever rollback means here new value for the transaction permanently stored here. No. Here this value is gone. This value is gone. Now rollback means completed. Okay. But here also not there value. Here also not there. That's why rollback completed also no use. Again 5 is there. 5 will be there. Very good. Correct. Now select a star from T1. Okay. Yeah. Here like this. These all the things, don't worry. Okay, now just observe it here. What I'm intimating to you, or maybe some tools are there. Through that tools only, we are interacting with the what? A server Oracle database. And also by using SQL, PL, SQL languages, you are interacting with the what? We are performing operations in a where? Oracle. And now here, yes, here. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay, 10 o'clock in a PLSQL you want means that is 3 chapters are completed. Okay. Your task management. Okay. Yeah. Evening 7:30 PLSQL completed. Okay. This is new. Okay. Yeah. Anybody more knowledge is there? Okay. This okay. Anybody interested means utilize this knowledge. Why? Because I'm so experienced person. Very easy way how you are interacting with the what? Query writing, I will tell you. Very easy way how you are interacting with the what? Java, .NET, Python programmers interacting with the what? Database, I will tell you. And now here that is stored procedure is a concept is there. Those all the things, so many fellows are well settled based on this knowledge only. Okay, yeah. But practice is most powerful. Okay, yeah. In a previous class demo, the last only power is gone. No, yeah, don't worry. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for attending this small demo class. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you.